Today's video is a start of a new series where I will show you how you can create a clicker simulator. So first we want to create a new game by opening the baseplate template, maybe delete all the lighting, and we can leave the checkpoint for now. And we want to save this game, save to Roblox as and create, and we want to call this Clicker Simulator, or you can name it whatever you want and save. So now it's saved, and what I will do first is paste in our saving data system that I created in a previous video. So if you haven't watched that one, there will be a link in the upper right corner. And we want to take these two, drag them into server script storage, and maybe create a folder, name it player data or something, and put those two scripts inside there for organization purpose. And I want one called module scripts inside the replicated storage, and we need to do a few changes over here. So to do module scripts dot player data, and the same thing over here, module script player data. And we need to go inside here, security, and enable studio access to API services. So now we want to change, now we want one called coins and one called clicks. Copy over here. So now that's done. We want to create inside started UI, want to create a screen GUI, and then image button. The size is good. We will create all the UI and make it look prettier in another video, but for now this will be our click button. So click button, and inside we want to create a local script, maybe call it click script, and we want this local button equals script.parent, and then we want to do button.mouse click connect function. And now we need, because if we set the latest stats values inside a local script, it will only show up on the client. So when we save it, the data will not get saved because the server still thinks that the player has 0 clicks or something. So for that reason, we want to create inside replicated storage, create another folder, call it remote, and we want to use a remote event. And for those who don't know what a remote event is, it's if you call it, you can from the client send data with it to the server, and then the server will receive it and do whatever you send, or you can send from the server to the client. So we want to call this give currency. So we want to do local give currency equals to game get service replicated storage dot remotes dot give currency fire server, and we want to send for the first we want to send what value we want, and we want clicks, and then the second one is how many clicks we should get, and we should get 1 click. So now inside the player data folder inside the server script service, we want to create another script, call it name it give currency, and inside here we want to create local rs game get service replicated storage, local give currency remote equals rs wait for child remotes dot give currency. So on give currency remote dot on server event connect function, and we get the player that sent the event. So and then we want the currency name, and then we want value. So now we want to do local leader stats equals to player wait for child leader stats, and then local currency equals leader stats find first child currency name, and then currency dot value plus equals value. So plus equals means that it's adding the value to the current value. So it's the same as writing currency dot value plus value, but it's simpler, easier to write plus equals value. So I think everything will work now. So we can see our clicks and coins over here, and if we click here we will see the clicks increasing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see the next part of this series, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, because then you will get notified when I release it. Until that, check out one of my other videos. I have one on the screen right now, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.